this is Taryn at Rare. We're here in the greenhouse, and I'd like to share how we can plant some Cascadia peas together. It's a lot of fun. It's a great spring activity. So if you see in front of me here, I have some loose potting soil. It's all nice and soft and lightly moist and ready to receive these peas. Now these peas are an easy to grow vegetable. You don't need a trellis. You can grow them in a pot. You can put them on a windowsill at your house. You can plant them in the ground when the soil warms up outside. And today we're going to plant them here. So open up your packet of peas, which are available at the Preston Idea Exchange for free. And then we're simply going to pop our peas into the soil. Push your little pea down so it's covered by the soil. Push your little pea down, cover it with soil. Push your little pea down, cover it with soil. They only need to be planted approximately 2 to 3 centimeters deep. Put your pea in, press it down. And you'll do this either in your outside garden, or on your patio in a pot, or on your windowsill in a pot. Once the weather warms up, you can move your pot outside into the yard or into the balcony. So there we have our peas planted right there. The final step is to water. I'm off to get my watering can. And now it's time to water. These peas need moisture in order to sprout. So here we go. Water up those peas. And then we wait. We wait about a week and a half, and you'll see little pea shoots coming up. Now if you come with me, I'll show you what it looks like when they start to emerge from the soil. These are the peas we just planted. And about a week and a half ago, I planted these peas here, and look at them now, popping up out of the soil. Peas aren't the only vegetable you can grow in your home garden or your home kitchen. We started our peas here in this tray, planted about half the tray. I put a little name tag in there because we're going to plant something else in the other half of the tray. Now earlier this year, when I had a lot of time, and these are plants that needed more time to grow, I planted the onions and the hot peppers and the herbs such as basil and parsley. They need more time to grow, so I started them earlier in the season. But now that it's getting closer to spring, we can plant other varieties such as cucumbers, pumpkins, cantaloupe, watermelon, squash, those types of things. So what I'll do here is share this tray with the peas, put in a little tag there for the cucumbers, and then treat these cucumber seeds just like we did the peas. Pop them just a centimeter or two under the surface of the soil, and we can get them started for spring as well. Now when these seeds sprout, you will tend them in your sunny window until around middle to the end of May, when it's nice and warm outside. And then you can plant them in your garden or put them in a pot on your balcony or patio. So there we have our cucumber planted. And just like the peas, they need water in order to germinate. There we go, a healthy dose. And we wish them well. Good luck, little seeds. Please grow into big, strong vegetables. I'd like to tell you a little bit more about One Seed, One Community. This is a local initiative put on by the Preston Idea Exchange, Rare Charitable Research Reserve, Seeds of Diversity Canada, and the Cambridge Self-Help Food Bank. All of these organizations are sharing free seed packets across the community for anyone that wants to grow peas at home. You can pick up your packet at the Preston Idea Exchange. Just walk in and ask for some peas and they will hook you up. Here we are in the greenhouse at Rare Charitable Research Reserve. Every year, we grow thousands of pounds of organic produce for the Cambridge Self-Help Food Bank, and all of those seedlings are started here in the greenhouse. We've got a wide variety of vegetables that we will tend now and then plant outside in May, and once the vegetables mature, we will donate them to the food bank. In this greenhouse, I also grow all of the seedlings for Rare's big spring fundraiser plant sale, which is going online this year on April 29th. You can select from a wide variety of nutritious vegetables and beautiful pollinator flowers, and then schedule a pickup time in mid-May for your plants. It's a great way to support Rare Charitable Research Reserve by buying your spring plants at our fundraiser. I really thank you for your support.